Well, we finally made it, people, to a Jollibee. This is the first Jollibee I've been to in the Philippines. I'll show you what I order.
What are you ordering, Steven?
Yeah, I'm going for the Y3, which is a bacon cheesy yum burger.
Really? And iced tea?
Yeah. It's a 163 peso.
2 pounds? 3 pounds?
Just regular, please.
Just large? Go large, it's nice.
Okay, large. Diamond in it. Take this to the table. Not that. Okay.
Hindi, magbabalag siya. Ibabalag niya yung kinakakainin niya. Kaya you order.
Thank you, sir. Has arrived. Give it a try. Yum, cheeseburger with cheese.
Slowly. Oh, with bacon.
Oh, the sauce is nice.
Can I try?
Okay, people, we'll have taken a bite. You what?
No, I'm asking you, you don't like ice?
Don't like ice? Ice? Yeah, I've got ice. Yeah. And my cheeseburger has arrived. It's looking very Maserat. The sauce in here is really nice. This is better than McDonald's. Far better than McDonald's. Yeah, I like the sauce. Very nice. It's not like a mayo, it's something else. Let's try the fries. Pretty crispy. Very nice. Actually like these more than the McDonald's fries. And I've got iced tea. So all of that came to 183 pesos. Not bad. It's about £3 in English. The whole freaking menu. I would love to try and work my way through and have more of this stuff, to be honest. Sadly, their Sunday machine is out of order. So yeah, that's a common occurrence. That happens quite a lot in Jollibees, and also in McDonald's. The ice cream machines pack up. So although that I've just had my Jolly Burger, Ivy's family is ordering a lot of Jollibee. So there's a lot going down on these tables in a minute. Their drinks at the moment, they all mango drinks. Nice. Very nice. Cool. Oh, here you go. Here comes the first chickens. Who's gone for the spicy?
Yes, sir. This is
Wow. Spicy chicken. Cool. And over here, there's Auntie Mary. Hello. Hiya. Wow.
And Mommy, Auntie Lucy and Mommy.
And you can see that they've all gone for rice rather than fries.
Yes,
Yeah.
rice, chicken.
Yeah, very popular in the Philippines is rice than fries. Yeah. Good. Right, Ivy.
Yeah.
Does you need a hand?
No.
It's good. Cool.
I'll try it.
Ivy's gonna have a bite of my burger. It's good, isn't it?
It's
Good.
really nice.
Good. Yeah. Yummy. Cool. Alright. Very nice. Just hit stop.
Jollibee, ma. Masarap. Mga senyor, kain na. Ayun, no? Sarap. An kay Daddy. Wala pa. Wow.
That libre rito eh.
David said he should be free here. Si Athena. May nag-order ka ng sopas? Pwede naman makaluto niya sa bahay. What would you like, Yancy? KFC or Jollibee? Huh?
Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee. She like Jollibee than KFC.
So here we are with Ivy. She went for the super meal Look at that. Yeah.
Ang dami.
Malagayon baboyog. Cool.
Oh, look what I got.
Cool. Oh my days. Look
I
at
got
this.
burger, I got spaghetti, Chickenjoy, and the rice.
Wow.
Let's open the rice.
And some sauce. Okay.
And the hot sauce.
Uh-huh.
Wala akong gravy. Jeka, wala akong gravy.
And gravy. She's going to get gravy. Oh, there you go. She got some gravy.
I got gravy.
She's got gravy. Cool. Gravy,
This
baby.
is my favorite here, the gravy.
Uh-huh.
Ah. Woo. Test.
In goes the gravy.
It's really nice.
Very
Let's
nice.
try the chicken first.
Okay. Have you missed that?
There's no London.
Cool.
It's very soft. Look inside, very moist. This is so crunchy, as you can see. Wow. And very tasty.
Cool.
Masarap.
Masarap.
The gravy
Uh-huh.
goes in your rice.
On your rice, okay?
And then
Ooh.
yummy.
Cool.
Fried rice spaghetti.
Okay. I hear it's quite sweet.
Yeah. So look at this. It's so nice. There's a hot dog. And
Yeah.
there's some, I don't know, egg, cheese,
Okay.
and then some ground pork.
Uh-huh. This is where she upsets her white top. Or is she going to get any on her white shirt? She says no.
Yum.
Yum.
Yummy.
Very good.
Then I'll try the
Burger steak.
burger steak.
There's mushrooms
It's
in there as
mushroom.
well. Mushroom in Tagalog is kabute.
Oh, I want more here.
Beef is
And
baka.
then hot sauce.
Baka and kabute.
And then put in your
A
rice.
little bit of rice, kain.
A little bit of rice. That's how you eat it. And
Okay.
then
And into her mouth, the baby. Masarap.
oh my god. I want to come here every day.
Every day. Well, same. To be honest, I love Jollibee. Shame they don't do a loyalty card or something.
Yummy.
Very nice. Masarap. Cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit a like and a subscribe. And I'd like to say a massive, great big thank you to all of my backers over on Patreon and over on YouTube membership. Thanking you, backers. And if you want to support this channel, just don't skip the adverts. That throws revenue down my avenue. Or yeah, just stay with Captain Steve that little bit longer and hit something on this screen. There's merch here now too.